Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, I got some really cute nails that I wanted to share with you. I picked these up this weekend from my local CVS, and they're called Time Lapse, I believe. Let me make sure. Yep, Time Lapse. They're a really pretty green, and they have this really pretty accent nail that has a little bit of glitter, a little bit of like clear, not clear, but almost clear nail with a little bit of design on it. So I'm gonna put these on while I film this video for you. We'll see how they come out. And as I take you along on this journey of putting these nails on, I'm also gonna take you along on a journey that Bob and I went on in our neighborhood. He's been kind of exploring as he goes on his walks, and he takes a lot longer walk than I do normally, but when I go with him on the weekends, it's kind of more like a hike, which I really love. We both love it really a lot. It's like as if we're out in New Hampshire somewhere. It's really cool. But there's a roadway that is in town that goes right through our development here, called Old Sandwich Road, and it is an ancient road, and it is still a dirt road, and it's one of the oldest roads in the country, really. And it leads to a place called the Rye Tavern, which is a colonial tavern that has been around since the colonial days. I think we passed by a rock that has a date engraved in it in the 1600s. I will show you that as we walk through, but we took a walk on this road. I'll take you with us. I won't silence out all of the audio so you can kind of hear us as we're walking and discovering, and it's a really pretty walk through here. So I'll kind of hide in the corner down here as I do my nails, and I will take you on this little walk. And I hope that you enjoy it as much as we did. It's really beautiful. It was a perfect, gorgeous fall day, and it couldn't have been prettier. The day before, it had been raining and pouring rain, so you will see some puddles that we maneuver on our walk. But yeah, let's get these nails on. I don't have any nails on right now. I took my nails off yesterday. Gave my natural nails some time to breathe. So all I have to do is choose my sizes and glue them on. And as I said, I'll hide in the corner here while I do that and show you the walk.
Back from here, you'd have roughly a 25-minute walk.
Yeah.
Someday you work up to a 2-hour walk. Used to go on 2-hour runs.
Yeah, 2 hours, huh?
Halfway. Yeah.
Yeah, because he likes hikes, and
It's nice.
I should have him come down here.
It's nice to drive up.
Yeah.
Walk on this. After all the rain. That's the road that we went.
Oh, yeah. So this is an ancient roadway. It was like this back in the 1800s at least, if not before. Right? They rode horse and buggy down there.
You've never been on this one.
I've never been on this one, no.
This is nice.
This is
Nice
very...
and peaceful and quiet.
Yeah,
And
this
here's a
is-
thing of water. Maybe we can go around it
Oh, look at that, huh?
without getting wet, you know?
Yeah, we'll have to go over the side. You want to lay your coat down for me?
Yeah.
We'll go to the left, I
Follow
think.
me.
Okay. Yeah, this reminds me of the old Western movies where the man would lay his coat down for the woman.
Wouldn't be long enough.
No, it wouldn't, would it? Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, considering all the rain we had, because that was a lot of rain yesterday. It smells so good in here. It smells so fresh. It smells great. No kidding, huh? No. Oh yeah. Oh, he's going pretty fast for a dirt road. Oh, that's a big one up there, babe. Yeah. I don't know. Do you think we can get past that? Okay. Yeah. Knowing that that blue sky, that fall blue sky. Fiery red trees, fiery orange trees. Couldn't be a better fall morning. Oh, that maple's starting up top there. Huh? These are finally starting. These are beautiful, but they're finally starting to go. It's taking a little longer in this neighborhood for the trees to turn, but it's absolutely gorgeous. But then the dichotomy of fall, and there's still some beautiful roses. Isn't that something? Mother Nature. Mother Nature. What a beautiful walk this morning. Absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, they are done. And I have to say that I really do love this color. And I also love the little accent nail. It has some gold, looks like gold leaves. To me, it does anyway. It just looks like it has a little gold leaf on it. So it does look like fall to me. And I really love it. I love the length. I didn't have to touch the length on these nails. These are the Impress. They are pre-glued, but as I always say, I use a little bit of my super glue, which keeps these nails on until I am ready to take them off, which could be a week, could be a week and a half. It really works, and it really does keep the manicure on as long as you want it on.
So anyway, guys, that is going to do it for this nail video. I do want to show you one more thing. I like to share with you things that I find that I love, that I think you might find, that you might love as well. And this is a lipstick. This is a new beauty line that launched recently by a really beautiful, wonderful spirit girl. And when I say spirit, she seems so natural and so real. I did watch her way back when I first started watching YouTube. She's a very young girl. It's called Ravie Beauty. And she's just starting out with her new makeup line. And her name is Allie Glines, and I'll definitely link her channel below and her website for her new, she's starting out with 3 lipsticks. And I like a lipstick that doesn't wear, like where it shows your own lip color bleeding through, or it just looks kind of dry and cakey. I like something that sort of just melts into your own lips and gradually, disintegrates or gradually wears off as the day goes on and you can reapply. And it soothes your lips. It makes your lips feel really soft. It doesn't feel like you're wearing lipstick. You can actually put this on without using a mirror, which is a really big thing for me because I never want to have my lipstick all over my face. But it's Ravie Beauty. She has 3 different colors. This is the most muted nude color of them all, and that's what I wanted to start out with. It's a really pretty packaging and a really nice size, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to put some on right now. All I have is a lip liner that I've had on since this morning, and it's been a few hours, so it's probably wearing off now, but I'm really not paying attention to where I am putting this. It has no flavor, but it's very pleasant. It doesn't have a taste, but it feels like almost like it does have a taste. It's very pleasant. It reminds me more of a like lip balm than a lipstick. She has some brighter colors than this, but I chose this one to start and I really, really love it. It's not expensive. If you want to give her some support for her launch, it's called Ravie Beauty. But I really love the lipstick. It's nice. It's comfortable to wear, and as it wears off during the course of the day, it just kind of melds into your natural lip color and it doesn't look like your lipstick just wore off. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you before I ended this video. As I said, I will link her website and her channel below. So anyway, guys, I hope that you have a great week. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope that you will leave me a comment, and I hope that you will subscribe if you haven't already. So take care, everyone. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.